Want to register our very big disappointment with regard to the purported or impending arrest of our party president. And the information that we have received since this morning is that this government, through the directive of President Michael Sata, they want to arrest our president purportedly that he sponsored the NGOs, the church, all those people that gathered at the cathedral over the constitution. They are saying that we are the ones who have got money and that we paid the NGOs to come and protest over the constitution. And we are saying no, we are ready for any eventuality and we have organized ourselves.
We are very disappointed with the government of PF because Mr. HH is simply speaking on behalf of Zambians, those who cannot speak for themselves, the voiceless. So us as UPND youths, we are not going to let the PF, behave like in that manner. We are going to defend our president.